So what is going on, crypto YouTube people? Overall, I am a beginner in the crypto space, documenting my journey in the crypto markets, my portfolio, everything like that. And today I want to talk to you guys about what is going on in the crypto markets and how right now is the best opportunity to be buying right now based off of the price action that we're seeing with Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything along those lines. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, my perspective on the space. I'm currently in my car, in my convertible Mazda 2001 Mazda Miata. I make the videos on my lunch break as well as when I get to my casa. Overall, just talk about the perspective on the markets as well as what you guys should be doing. But currently right now, guys, when we look at the trajectory of this bull market and the bull cycle that we're currently in, we're practically already nearing the end phase, where that's whenever we make the most gains. In every crypto cycle, most gains are made in the last quarter, the last phase of the crypto cycle, and that's pretty much going to be the end of Q4 moving into Q5, potentially seeing the all-time high for Bitcoin in the middle of Q5 2025. So sorry, not in the middle of 2025. Overall though, based off of the price action right now, altcoins are taking hits nasty. A lot of coins based off of all different types of sectors are setting up for amazing buys currently right now, and everyone is starting to scoop up. The fear in the market is very, very high. Everyone is fearful based off of what is currently going on, even though Bitcoin isn't too down from its all-time high, maybe around 15 to 20% down from whenever we saw it prior in March and everything like that. But currently right now, whenever there's fear in the markets, you should be taking advantage, especially with a lot of these projects that have potential to do 20, 30, 50 X's just based off of the sectors that you're jumping into. A few of my altcoins, if you look at my crypto portfolio, a few of them are slightly recovering and a few of them are still taking hits, and it all varies depending on the sentiment, the market, the specific project, and the updates that they're doing. And right now is the time to be really evaluating the projects that you're invested in and the projects that you're currently not invested in, and wondering if you should be getting a bag of those coins. Right now, a lot of people are talking about how meme coins are going to be popping off, as well as AI. In terms of what is being produced this cycle, as well as for 2024, AI has been performing like crazy, as well as meme coins, which is why my crypto portfolio is mainly revolved around AI and meme coins. The AI sector is also so fresh that we still don't even know what's possible with this sector. If you look at the gaming sector, you can look at previous buys and previous highs and really have an understanding of where we're probably going. But with these AI coins, they're so fresh. A lot of them started at the beginning of this year, or the beginning of last year, and whenever you have fresh projects like that, you really don't know what's possible with those gains, as well as with a few of the current meme coins that I'm invested in. Meme coins have had parabolic runs. If you look at Doge, SHIB, Pepe, all the previous price action around these coins was crazy. And if you're invested in new meme coins currently right now that are performing amazing, just depending on the specific network that you're jumping on, whether it's Base, Ethereum, Avalanche, all different types, Solana, there's multiple networks you could jump into to try to make as much money as possible. But navigating towards the highest performing projects in those networks is going to be your best bet in terms of making the most gains. Brett, one of the main meme coins I'm currently invested in, is the top Base meme coin in the Base network, and I'm planning on seeing a lot of growth in the Base network moving into the all-time high for this crypto cycle. Currently right now though, guys, there has never been a better time. Usually throughout the crypto cycles, there's ups and downs when capitulation is happening and people are actually starting to bag up and get more of their positions, and others are selling off because they don't know what's currently happening. But right now is pretty much the calm before the storm. Everything is red because usually in September we see red markets based off of the stock market, previous cycles, previous price action, and based off of that, we're pretty much deviating lower and setting up for something super huge. I've talked about it a ton in my YouTube channel about consolidation, and the longer that we have consolidation just trading sideways, which we've been seeing with Bitcoin for the past like 200 days, longer honestly, we're going to see a gradual increase and a higher upside just because of how long this capitulation stage has been happening. happening. But overall, guys, I just think, you know, in terms of trying to capitalize on the crypto markets and make as much money as possible, you need to keep up with where we're at on the cycle. And right now is a time where everyone is so fearful. Projects are down in the dirt, nasty. Everyone isn't looking at the crypto markets anymore because everything is super fearful in terms of stocks and the liquidations that are taking place. And as a result, gas fees are super cheap. So right now is the best time to be taking advantage of these projects and buying altcoins. Altcoins have the potential to do crazy numbers, just depending on the specific projects you're looking into, as well as the sectors that you're trying to invest in. But like how I said though, this 2024 crypto cycle is going to be something really crazy because there's a few sectors that haven't even really, you know, made a name for themselves or even showed how much gains are possible. AI is one of those, and also a lot of the new meme coins that are popping off. Now, there's a lot of utility coins that are still coming out, RWA, a lot of, you know, high performing sectors that, you know, I actually have high commitment towards, but currently right now, if you look at my portfolio, I'm all revolved around the AI and meme sector. And based off of where we're at in the cycle, a lot of my coins have been taking hits, but also a few of my coins have been doing great numbers. And I'm really psyched to see what's possible whenever we start to see the price action that we really need, especially with Bitcoin. Everyone's talking about how it's going to start popping off already next month, before the election in November and everything like that with the US election. I live in the US. I don't know if how many of y'all are watching this live in the US. Let me know where you guys are if you're watching this video. But yeah, based off of where I'm at in the United States, the United States election is about to take place, and whenever that happens, we usually have a stimulant in the economy, which, you know, causes a lot of positive price action around stocks, cryptocurrency as well, because that's where all the money comes from stocks and a few other different places. So right now, guys, I wanted to make this video just talking about how this is currently one of the best times to be buying. We're already nearing the end of the cycle in terms of the Bitcoin halving, and whenever we see Bitcoin to that all-time high, we're getting close to the election, which is also going to start a stimulus in the economy. We're going to see Fed cuts also take place around, you know, inflation and everything like that, which is another key indicator. We also have money coming in from the FTX whole, you know, fiasco that happened. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that is going to start occurring currently. And right now, you know, based off of the price action, the deviations that we've been seeing, you can make a ton of money, but you have to be willing to take a risk when other people aren't willing to take that risk. Like how I said, right now there is a ton of fear in the markets. People are worried sick, and if you haven't been here for multiple crypto cycles, you honestly don't know what's possible or what's going to happen. I haven't been here for multiple crypto cycles. All I have done this whole 2024 cycle is study previous crypto cycles, keep up with different sentiments from people, you know, specific influencers, analytical traders, fundamentalists, and then from there come to my own conclusion, create my own thesis, and share my progress on this YouTube channel and let everyone know what I think. I honestly feel like we're on the verge of crazy gains, and if you're invested in the crypto markets, you are going, oh god, oh creep. I'm holding you guys on my hand, so I'm sorry, I'm shaking a little bit, and I didn't want to show you guys all my trash in the back. Not really trash, my bag and stuff like that. But overall, guys, right now is a time of setup. Right now is the time to take action while everyone isn't taking action. And I'm glad to make videos like this to document and show everyone what's possible. And also I want to reflect back on these videos to just, you know, let everyone know when you should be taking action and missing out on opportunities like the one I'm presenting today. But overall, guys, I'm gonna keep buying. This is my current crypto portfolio on the side. I'm gonna start sharing more videos talking about exactly the news events taking place in the crypto markets, price action, my specific projects and everything else in between. I'm just trying to share more, you know, relatable videos talking to beginners as well as intermediate traders that are just trying to get different perspectives on the crypto markets, crypto space, as well as just seeing what everyone else is talking about. But today's video, guys, I just wanted to talk about why right now is the best time to be buying crypto and why you should be considering buying crypto right now. But at the end of the day, this is not financial advice. I do not know what I'm talking about. I've already made some crazy gains during this crypto cycle, but all I do is plan to show and document my journey as a beginner in the crypto space, show you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto perspective, my portfolio, and everything else in between. I think, like I've said this multiple times in all my videos, you can go watch, you know, a lot of people with a lot of information, a lot of followers, all this stuff, but you can't really get the perspective of someone that's just getting started. And I plan to document from the start to getting more professional in trading, because I want to go all time into trading, but it starts with being a beginner, understanding what's going on, documenting, you know, freaking dissecting different perspectives and coming to your own conclusion. But let me know what you guys think about my perspective as well as what I'm currently saying. Also, look at the rest of my content. I really appreciate all the support you guys show me on this YouTube channel. I document everything in terms of my crypto portfolio, my entrepreneurial career, and everything else. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this crypto cycle, where we're currently at, what you guys think I should be doing, as well as your projects and everything else in between. But guys, hopefully I see you guys in the next one. I drop daily content every day between like Monday and Friday. But yeah, just stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna keep dropping it, and I plan to get crazier in this, and crazy gains are going to be here, guys. So I hopefully you're invested and exposed into the crypto markets, and if not, you should really consider it. All right, stay tuned for the next one. I drop daily content every day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.